Any auto company is happy for any sale these days, but the competition over hybrid sales is about to get more intense. Over the years, Toyota Priuses has just about become synonymous with hybrid, but now Honda rolled out a challenger. Here's tonight's Eye on the Environment. It's hard to miss that the Insight bears an uncanny resemblance to the Toyota Prius. Auto industry analysts say that's not a coincidence and that Honda has learned something from Toyota's success. Until now, the Prius has ruled the road among driving do-gooders, accounting for 70% of the American hybrid market. But some feel the Insight could pose a real threat because even though it's less roomy and the mileage isn't as good, it gives drivers lots of the fuel economy bells and whistles for about $3,000 to $4,000 less. But here's the question, will this car sell? Hybrids and small cars have taken a pounding as a result of both the recession and the drop in gas prices.
The question is, will this last forever? I think most people don't think $2 a gallon gas is here to stay indefinitely.
Most experts believe that in the long term, the market for fuel-efficient cars will expand exponentially. Next year, Chevy rolls out its new electric car, the Volt. The importance of the Insight, experts say, is that it gives drivers the possibility of looking and feeling like a good citizen at a price that is good for the bank account.